Guys, no be small thing. Hold up, I'm gonna play the rest of the clip for us to take a look at the rest of the moment. Portable was jubilating as Land Rover just co-signed him. No be small thing. No, we guys can remember Portable had a good time in London with skpeta. Even when they went to British fashion show, they really had a good time, and all the time they had, Portable and skpeta was being carried by a Land Rover with the Escort and everything, and Land Rover just posted this on their official Instagram account, having over 9 million followers. No be small thing. Portable can't even believe it. Like this, Portable don't turn international. I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the moment. Portable was jubilating as Land Rover just co-signed him, and share your thoughts on what you guys think. I think Portable will be getting a Land Rover soon. Let me know your opinions in the comment section. Enjoy the rest of the clip, and don't forget to subscribe. Big Vicky, I'm out.
Land Rover don't post you before. Don't post you. Not before. Oh Land Rover don't post you before. Oh no.